Shorten English Junior Model Test. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is with us this afternoon and has been kind enough to inaugurate the 7th seminar. I am grateful to the Government of Tamil Nadu for inviting us to meet at Kodaikanal, a place full of scenic beauty and a queen amongst hill stations. I am confident that our deliberations in such wonderful environs will prove to be most useful. As you all know, the state of Tamil Nadu has made great strides, especially in the matter of enrollment at the elementary and secondary levels, which is expected to rise from 40 lakhs pupils at the end of the plan period. It must also be noticed that Tamil Nadu is one of the few states in which education is free not only at the elementary stage. As you can imagine, this step will have a very great impact so far as secondary education is concerned, and the state government deserves congratulations on the bold and imaginative venture. A word must also be said about the school improvement program in this state. We will have another occasion to go deeper into this. All I need to say is that it is my wish that other states would also benefit by the example set by our caste state and encourage community participation to the largest extent possible. Tamil Nadu has also made some notable achievement in the field of women's education. Furthermore, it is heartening to note that the Tamil Nadu now covers 20 lakhs of children under its midday meal program and also provides free uniform to poor children going to elementary schools. Most of you who have been attending these seminars from year to year are aware that in the past the emphasis has been on compulsion in primary education, since the general thinking in the country is to expand and improve facilities for education and not to lay so much stress on legislative compulsion. This year there will be a slight departure from the past in the proceedings of the seminar. Instead of contacting the seminar as one of the compulsory primary education, we wish to cover the problems relating the expanding the facilities, the primary education, and those regarding some selection programs for qualitative improvement. This is necessary because there are still areas where church facilities have not yet been extended fully. The main stress in the seminar will therefore be on elementary education in a wider context covering the whole period of school education. The first item on the agenda is to review the progress made so far in each state and union territory and to consider the physical and financial targets for the next plan generally. It is gratifying to note that the achievement of enrollment of children in the age group of 11 is likely to exceed the original target. Now that we are entering into the next plan, it is necessary that effort is made to achieve 100% enrollment in the age group all over the country. Dear Sirs, with reference to the last consignment of clothes we received from you, we regret that repeated complaints have been made to us in regard to them. They appear to work in anything but a satisfactory manner, and only 20 out of 500 cent have given satisfaction. The remainder we are returning by goods train today, and we trust that you can forward others of a more reliable character, as the whole matter is causing us considerable inconvenience. With regard to packing, we must ask you to make absolutely certain that all future consignments are carefully protected from the wet, as the cases of the last lot suffered a good deal from want of sufficient wrappings. With reference to the suggestion as to new designs for cases, we have given consideration to the matter and wish you to send a sample of few designs. Item number 6 appears to us the most effective and most suitable to the face of the class. With regard to payment, we are ready to pay full amount in advance if some more concession is given. Kindly consider this and let us know at your convenience so that we can send bank draft. Yours faithfully,